Record heat likely in Denver today on this Monday, December the 22nd. We tied a daily record yesterday with a high of 67. Today will be a few degrees warmer than that, low 70s. Daily record for today, very likely to be broken for us. It was set back in 1955. Daily record is 70 degrees. We'll likely get there for today. Other story will be the wind, unfortunately, once again. It's not going to be nearly as bad as what we saw last week, but still, we will be looking at some blustery conditions with some 30 to 40 mile an hour winds in the foothills west of Denver, including Boulder, Golden, Morrison, maybe even a little stronger at times than that, but you get into the higher foothills, and that's where we could be talking about some localized 50 to 60 mile an hour wind gusts for a brief period this afternoon. You remember last week, we were talking about 80 to 90 to even 100 plus mile an hour winds in those spots. I don't want to diminish that threat for today, but still just not nearly as windy. A little bit of information is when you have a wind that is below 50 miles an hour, that means that firefighters can generally still fight offensively with those wildfires. So if a fire were to break out and you're talking about 30 to 40 mile an hour winds, that's a notable difference compared to say 60 to 70 mile an hour winds, because again, firefighters can fight offensively still and as opposed to defensively. So worth noting that, but still, again, please be smart out there today. It's going to be another dry, blustery, warm day for us here across the Front Range. Tomorrow, a little cooler, a bit more cloud cover. We're still in the 60s though. And then our likely record warm Christmas. And then this weekend, we get some changes with some mountain snow, some more widespread mountain snow. And along the Front Range, we'll likely see temperatures actually closer to what they should be for this time of year, with high in the 40s for us this weekend. So a little bit of everything this week, but the main story, once again, dry and warm.